Okay, Omar, thank you. Okay, guys, let's start with our lesson here. Chapter 7, Lesson 2, Write and Solve One-Step Addition and Subtraction Inequalities, page 341. But before we go to this lesson, guys, let's remember what we did in the previous lesson. In the previous lesson, we solve one-step inequalities, like, for example, x plus 5 more than, for example, negative 3. And we said if we have addition, we do subtraction of the connected number in both sides. So we rewrite the inequality. We rewrite the inequality. X plus 5 more than negative 3. Then we subtract 5 from both sides like this one. From both sides like this one. Now 5 with negative 5, they are gone. Still x more than, and here we evaluate here, negative 3, negative 5, it's negative 8. And we learned how to graph the solution also. We graph the solution on the number line by searching the negative 8. We don't have equal sign, so we put open circle. And when we read the inequality or the solution, this is the solution, guys. This one is the solution. X more than negative 8. If we have more than, we go to the right and highlight like this. This is the solution area, means any number here, negative 7, negative 6, 0, 1, 9, 11, 12, forever, is the solutions for this inequality. Now, negative 8, because it has open circle, means negative 8 does not belong to the solution area. But if we have equal sign like this, x plus 5 more than or equal negative 3, okay, it will comes down. If we have equal sign, the circle will be closed, which means negative 8 is belong to the solutions, means negative 8 is a solution. Now let's put it here. Negative 8 plus 5 is negative 3. Negative 3 is more than or equal negative 3, so it is included. It is included. This is what we did. Now, if we have subtraction here, we do addition and we do the same steps. This is what we did, or how we solve the addition and subtraction inequalities of one step. Now, yesterday you did the homework. Thank you for all. And I want from you, if you have any questions about the homework or the previous lesson in general, you can ask me.
Mister, I checked my answers, but in 7 and 8, in the fractions one, I made rounding.
It's okay. It's okay. Do you have the same answers?
Yeah.
خلاص, it's okay. But in our next exams, yeah, Omar, focus with me.
Yeah.
In our next exams, it will be multiple choice, okay? You know the multiple choice?
Yeah.
Good. So if the choices are in fractions, so you need to keep your answer in a fraction. If the choices are in decimals, you can divide and find the decimal. Got it?
Okay.
Okay. Any questions, guys, about the previous lesson or the previous homework? It's okay. You can ask me, Faris.
Yes.
يلا يا فارس. What's your question, حبيبي?
In the homework.
Mr. Faris, raise up your voice. علي صوتك حبيبي. علي. يلا احكي.
In the homework. Question 7, 8.
Question
7.
7 in the homework. Read.
Okay.
Mister,
3 less than or equal 1 over 3 plus x.
3 less than or equal 1 over 3 plus 6, right?
X,
No,
X.
Plus x. Sorry. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's the first step, yeah, Faris?
Rewrite the solution.
Rewrite the inequality. Where is the solution? We didn't find the solution yet. This is, we call it inequality.
sorry,
we rewrite it. Rewrite the inequality. Yalla, 3 less than or equal 1 over 3 plus x. Now, I'm asking you, where is the connected number here?
1 over 3.
It is positive or negative?
Positive.
So what we will do in both sides?
And 2
minus.
minus 1 over 3.
والله بس فارس يحكي معلش يا مستر.
Okay.
We will subtract 1 over 3 in both sides, right يا فارس?
Yeah.
يلا. Subtract 1 over 3 and here also subtract 1 over 3, right?
Yeah.
And we put a line. Now, here in this side, 1 over 3 minus 1 over 3, they are what?
Gone.
Gone. What is still in this side?
X.
X. And this inequality sign will comes down, right? Don't forget it.
Yeah.
Now we need to calculate 3 minus 1 over 3, right?
Yeah.
I will take it by side here and do it here. 3, do not work on the steps of the inequalities, okay? Just work
Sure.
it by side. So 3 minus 1 over 3, we need to find this one, right?
Yeah.
How we find the number minus a fraction? What we do, Yabni? Do you know?
Put 1 over 3.
Now, I taught you in grade 6, right?
Yeah.
أنا درستكم بgrade 6 مش هيك؟
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now we deal with the fractions. We add, we subtract, we multiply, we divide. We did everything in fractions, right?
Yeah.
Yalla ya Faris. Now I put over 1. How we subtract fractions? Can you tell me?
First you shall let the denominator the same. The denominator.
Good. Can we subtract if we have different denominators?
No.
No. So how I will make 1 to be 3?
Multiply by 3.
So I'll multiply by 3, up and down, not down only, right?
Yeah.
So what I will have here? 9
9
over
over
3 minus 1 over 3, right?
Yeah.
Now, how much 9 minus 1?
Equal 8 over 3.
Yes. This is the answer, but up is more than down, right?
Yeah.
What we do?
Divide.
8 divided by 3. It is 2, 6, subtract 2, right?
Yeah.
Now let's turn it to mixed number. 2 and 2 over 3, remember?
Yeah.
2 and 2 over 3. 2 and 2 over 3. This is your answer. Got it?
Yeah.
And you put it here. 3 minus 1 over 3. It is 2 and 2 over 3. مش هيك؟
Yeah.
Now this is the solution, yeah, mister. Okay? Now we will graph it in the number line. Now in your book, you have a number line here under this inequality, right?
Yeah.
Now 2 and 2 over 3, it's between two numbers. What are they?
2 and 3.
Exactly. If you have 2 here and 3 here, 2 and 2 over 3, it's located here between them. So but it's close to 3, like this one. See? Close to 3. Got it?
Yeah.
Good. So here is the 3. This is my number now, 2 and 2 over 3. Now read the inequality.
2 and 2 over 3 less than or equal.
No, yeah, mister. You read it wrong. You read it wrong.
Oh, I mean
Always
X
we
is
read it
greater
from
or
the variable. Where is the variable?
X.
Read it from X. يلا أشوف.
X greater or equal than 2 and 2 over 3.
يا ابني سيبك من greater. X more than or equal 2 and 2 over 3. Read it again.
X more than or equal to 2 and 2 over 3.
X more than or equal 2 and 2 over 3. If we have more than, يا ابني, we will go to the right or to the left?
Right.
To the right. So I will go to the right here. Got it?
Yeah.
This is my number here, located between 2 and 3, but it's somehow close to 3. Now, if you read it from here, what you will say, 2 and 2 over 3 less than X, and you will get confused, so you will go to the left, which is wrong. ماشي يا فارس؟
Okay.
So you always read it from where?
From the variable.
From the variable. Don't forget that. Do you understand it, يا ابني?
Yeah.
Now, do we need these steps here in our solution?
And
No, I don't need this. So this, you just do it on extra paper. I don't need it. I just need what? The answer. Do you understand, يا ابني?
Yeah.
Any questions else, يا فارس?
No, thanks.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Good. Next,
That's
guys,
easy
I have
for me.
Abdullah, I think. Abdullah. Abdullah?
Yes.
يلا يا عبدالله.
In homework in question 7 and 9.
علي صوتك حبيبي.
In the homework question 7 and 8.
I did the question 7 يا ابني هي قدامك.
Yes, I know, but in the there is no fraction in the number line. Where should I put the dot?
ما احنا حكينا يا ابني 2 and 2 over 3. It's between which two numbers?
2 and 3.
Hey, 2 and 3. So you will search about 2 and 3 and you put it between them, but it's close a little bit to 3. Got it?
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes, yes.
Good. Else, question what?
The same thing in question 8, but I
Question 8. Read.
4
Huh?
greater than or equal x plus
Again يا ابني يا ابني يا ابني علي صوتك علي صوتك واقرأ.
4 greater than or equal x plus 3 over 4.
يلا. What's the first step يا عبد الله؟
Rewrite the inequality.
يلا 4 greater than or equal x plus 3 over 4. Then
Minus 3 over 4.
from both sides, right?
Yes.
Good boy. So here they are gone. Still what here? X less than or equal, and we'll do this one. 4 minus 3 over 4. I take it by side and do it here, okay?
Yes.
Yeah. This is over 1, you know that, right?
Yes.
This is 16 over 4 minus 3 over 4, right?
Yes.
Means 13 over 4, right?
Yes. And make it next
Now divide.
number.
13 divided by 4 is what? 3.
3.
12 subtract 1. So the answer as mixed number, it's a 3 and 1 over 4, Mishak?
Yes.
Good. So I'll put my answer here, 3 and 1 over 4, Mishak?
Yes.
Now I will go to my number line. Do you have fractions there?
Yes.
Here, do you have fractions in your number line?
No, no.
No. So 3 and 1 over 4, it's approximated between which two numbers?
3 and 4.
So you will search about the 3 and search about 4. 3 and 1 over 4 means a 3.25. It's closer somehow, closer to where?
3.
To 3. Do we have equal sign? Yes. So I will put it here, but close to 3. Got it?
Yes.
Now read the solution. Read it.
X less than or equal 3 and
We read it from the variable, guys. Don't forget that. X less than or equal this number. So we will go to the left or to the right?
To the left.
To the left, because we have X less than. So I will go to the left like this. Got it?
Yes.
Here, it's not a 3, it is beside the 3, close to 3, quarter, ربع يعني. Do you understand, يا ابني?
Yes, thank you.
Good boy. Else. Huh? Yazan.
Mr. Question 11. Yes, Mr.
Read. Read
6.9
Question 11, guys. 6.9. أيوة.
is less than
less than
X minus 2.3.
0.3. Like this?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yeah. The first step is, and what we will do?
We will make in negative 2.3.
No. The first step
Rewrite the
is
equation.
rewrite the inequality. This is inequality, not equation, okay?
Okay.
6.9 less than x minus 2.3. Now, what I will do, tell me.
We will make positive 2.3.
Add. We will add 2.3 in both sides, right?
Yes.
Yeah. خلاص?
Yes.
Now, these two numbers will
Go. And
cross.
then
Gone.
will
Till what here?
X greater
And this
than
comes down. Now here we add 9 plus 3, 12. 2, 1 by hand, and the decimal comes down, right?
yes.
Now
0.9.
7 plus 2.
9.
Now read the inequality. The solution,
X
sorry.
is
Read
greater
it.
than
We read it
9.2.
from the variable. X more than 9.2. Now I will go to my number line here. Okay, under the question you have a number line, right?
Yes.
Now tell me, where is the 9.2 located here? Between which two numbers?
Between 9 and 10.
ممتاز. So you will search about 9 and 10. طب in 9.2 هذه closer to 9 or closer to 10?
Closer to 9.
Closer to 9. So somehow you write it like this here, for example, closer to 9. But if this number, for example, 9.7, 9.8, 9.9, for example, it will be closer to where?
To the 10.
طب if it's 9.5, it will be where?
It will be in the half.
In the half, at the middle.
middle.
ممتاز. Good boy. So this is the number 9.2. I think Mr. Iyad asked me about it. طب look يا Mr. This is the number. Now read the inequality again بسرعة.
X is greater than 9.2.
Good. X is greater than 9.2. So I will go to the right or to the left?
You will go to the right.
Right. Do you understand, يا ابني?
Yes, Mr. Thanks.
Welcome. Else. Else. Good boys. No questions. I assume that you understand it very well. Now, today and tomorrow, guys, today and tomorrow, we will stay in lesson 2. So let's go to our book. And today, what we will do, guys, today we will write the inequality, then we will solve it. Now, in the previous lesson, the inequality was ready. The question gives you the inequality and you solve it. But in this lesson, what we will do, guys, we will write the inequality. We will write the inequality, then we solve it as we did in yesterday and the day before. Now, to write inequality or equation, guys, we need to know something. We call it, look here, keywords. Keywords, okay? Keywords. For example, the most famous two keywords about the inequalities is the two words at the most, and at the least. Now, at the most, we will use more, less than or equal. If the question has this word at the most, we will use less than or equal. If the question has at the least, we will use more than or equal. Now, I want a student to ask him some questions. Who like to talk with me here? Who like to talk with me? Hello.
Can I?
You miss me, right? I know.
What?
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
يلا. Mr. Abdul Latif.
Yes, Mister.
Abdul Latif, I will tell you something and you will answer me. Look here. If I give you, for example, 100 riyal, okay?
Okay.
And I told you, or I tell you, to go to the supermarket and spend at the most 100 riyal. At the most. At most 100 riyal. Okay?
Okay.
Can you spend more than 100 or no?
No.
No, you cannot. So you will spend 100 or what?
Or less.
Or less. صح ولا لا؟
صح.
طيب. If I ask you also to go to the supermarket and I told you to bring for me, bring at least 5 Pepsi. At least.
Okay.
Bring at least 5 Pepsi. Means what?
I will pay.
Can you bring less than 5?
No. Yeah.
No, you will bring 5 or more because I want you على الأقل at least how many Pepsi? 5.
5.
Got it? So
Okay.
at most, guys, we use less than or equal. At least we use more than or equal. Okay? Do you understand
Okay.
it?
Yeah.
Good boy. Now we have another keywords, guys. We have another keywords, and they are on a table on page 341. Let's see the table, guys, together on this table, and I want you to memorize it. احفظوه. Yeah. Let's go to the table, guys, here. See it? Page 341. It's important one. Yeah. I want someone to read with me here.
Right.
Abdullah. طيب. إياد.
Yes,
يلا إياد. What's the first symbol?
is less than, is fewer than.
Good. So if you have in the question less than or fewer than, you will use this one. صح?
أيوة.
طب here, if you have in the question, read.
Is greater than, is more than, exceeds.
Exceeds, more than, greater than, you will use this one, right?
Yes.
طب here.
Is less than or equal to, is no more than, is at most.
At most, no more than, less than or equal. These 3 words, if you have them in the question, you will use this one, okay?
Okay.
Here, more than or equal.
Is greater than or equal to, is no less than, is at least.
At least, at most, at least and at most, guys, they are famous. So we talked about them here, okay? If you have these words, one of these words, you will use this one. So this table, guys, as a hint, you know, hint. What's the meaning of hint, guys? Something to guide you, guide. Something to guide you, to tell you which one you will use. So memorize this table very well, guys, because we will use it too much in this lesson. Now together, we will go to example one, and solve it together. What we will do, guys, here, we will write the inequality and solve it. In the previous lesson, the inequality is already given, okay? Now let's read this question and prepare our inequality together. We are on example 1, guys. Page 342. Let's read it together and solve it. Right. I want Mr. Ali. Read with me. Example 1.
Dylan can spend at most.
Wait, ya Ali, wait.
Yes.
Guys, all of you, please, all of you, go to example 1, page 342 in your box, and read with your friends. So without understanding the question, we won't solve it. So try to understand it. Yalla ya Ali.
Dylan can spend at most $18 to ride go-karts and
Best.
play.
Wait.
Mr. Your internet, I don't not hearing anything.
Ali, are you with me?
Yes, Mr. Your internet was.
Yalla.
And play games at the state fair.
Ali, read the question again, Habibi.
Okay, Dylan can spend at most $18 to
Best.
ride.
Wait, stop here. At most,
Yes.
most, how much?
$18.
$18. Go to the table, guys.
Yes.
Go to the table here. Where is at most? Here.
The third one.
See it? Is
Yes.
at most. So we'll use less than
Less
or
than or
equal,
no.
right?
Or
So we will use this one. Okay?
Yes. Yes.
Continue.
To ride go-karts and play games at the state fair.
Good.
Suppose that go-karts cost $5, $5.50.
Now we have a game called Go Cards, okay? And this game, if you play it one time, you will pay how much? How much money?
$18, $5.50.
No, you missed it. $18. It's the total cost, okay?
Yes.
5.50 is only for this game, okay?
Yes. Yes.
Continue.
Write and solve an inequality to determine the amount Dylan can spend on games. If he writes go-karts once, then interpret the solution.
Good. Now Dylan, he will go, guys, and he will play games. He will play games. Between one of games, he will play go-karts. How many times he will play go-karts? Once. شو يعني once? يعني one time. ممتاز يا علي. So now Dylan معاه قديش؟
$18.
Only $18. معهوش غيرهم. He will go to the mall and he will play go-karts one time by 5.50.
Yes.
So he will play go-karts one time. So he will pay how much?
$5.50.
One time. Plus,
Yes.
he will play another games. Do we know the cost of another games, of the other games?
I
I'm asking now. Do we know the cost of the other games?
no.
No. So the cost, the cost of the other games, it's unknown, right?
Yes, unknown.
Unknown means a variable.
Yes.
Give me a variable, ya Ali.
Why?
Why? خلاص?
Yes.
So 5.50 for the co-card ones plus mean the cost of the other games, which is
Why?
Less than or equal, I get it from at most, right? How
Yes.
much?
$18.
This is our
Answer.
inequality. Inequality, not answer.
Okay.
This is the inequality. Okay?
Yes.
Now,
Yes.
now, how we will solve this inequality, Ali?
Yes.
How we
will,
solve it?
we will make we will plus 5.50 plus 18 the 18
لا يا
dollar.
غالي، مش حنعمل بلس، ما هي اصلا بلس.
Yes.
Look here يا ابني. What we have here?
4 and
The operation, what we have?
x plus.
Plus, what we did here?
We we will put 3 and over 4 and
يا ابني ركز الله يساعدك. Here we have a plus. What we did?
minus. We minus.
Here what we have, look here. What we have here?
Minus.
What we did, look.
Plus.
Yalla, go here.
Okay.
The 5.50, is it a plus or minus?
Plus.
So what we will do?
We will minus.
Yeah, so first we rewrite the inequality. 5.50 plus y less than or equal 18. Then we subtract 5.50 from both sides, right?
Yes. Yes.
Line. These are gone. Still what here?
Y.
And
Yes.
the less than or equal comes down. 18
Yes.
minus 5.50 is how much? 12.
12.
Right?
Yes. Yes.
This is the solution of the inequality, and this is the inequality. What we did here, guys, we prepared the inequality using the keywords, then we solve it. This is our lesson, write and solve.
Yes.
Do you understand it, Ya Ali?
Yes, I understand.
This is
Thank you,
example
Mr.
1, page 342, guys.
Mister, can I say
Example
something?
1. Ask Ibni.
Mister, I think it must be 13.50, not 12.
I can't hear you, Ibni.
I think it must be 13.50.
You think what?
It must be 13.50, the answer.
18 minus 5.50, 13.50?
Yes, Mister.
Tab, let's do it together. Hi, 18, right?
Yes.
Yes.
And this is a 12.50, right?
Yes.
And we will subtract, right?
Yes.
No, Mister. Yes.
We are subtracting, Michelle.
Yeah.
Do we have decimal here?
No.
We add decimal. And but what?
0.
Yeah. 0 minus 0.
0.
Stop. 0 minus 5.
5.
10, carry. Put zero,
Right.
10.
5.
0 minus 5 is 5, right?
No, make zero.
No. We take from the 8. We take from the 8
Yeah.
one.
0 minus 5, it cannot be, Habibi. Take 1
Yes, sir.
from the 8, it will be 7, and the 0 will be 10, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. 10 minus 5,
5.
decimal comes down. 7
Yes.
minus 2,
5.
5. And 1 minus 1, 0.
Sorry. This is 5, not, sorry. I'm sorry. This is 5, not 12, okay?
Yeah.
Sorry. Because we are subtracting 5.50, sorry. Now 7 minus 5, 2.
2.
And the 1,
1.
got it?
Yes, get it.
Right. This is example 1, guys. We have checked after example 1, but because we are running out of time, we won't solve it today. So just revise this. Don't forget the table, guys. It's important. And tomorrow we will start from the check after example 1. Here example 1. Tomorrow we'll do the check and the others examples, and we will finish the lesson. But the idea today is already given. Just memorize the table, revise what we did here, and hope you understand it very well. If you have any questions, you can ask me on Classera or tomorrow in the class. And I prefer in the class so I can answer you like I did today. Okay, guys?
Thank you, Mister. Thank you, Mister.
Okay, Mister. Thank you.
Welcome, Habibi. So tomorrow, guys, watch the video again. I installed the video after Omar will send it to me. So please, guys, watch the video again and try to understand everything here and in the previous one. Okay, and I hope you understand it very well. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.